A-TRAC installation. 14 thousandths feeler gauge underneath. Take it out a little bit. Take a short screwdriver, a small screwdriver, gently pull it back. Pull the blank out. You'll see that the A-TRAC wires will be connected to the back of it. Hold on so you don't lose them back into the vehicle. And pop the connector out of the blank. There we go. There's your blank. Now take your A-TRAC switch. There's the A-TRAC switch. Take the connector, slide it in place, flick it in place. Take the A-TRAC switch, everything's attached, and push it right back where it belongs, and you'll hear it snap in place. There you go, A-TRAC installation.